you. I'd love to chat for a few minutes about SEO.
One of the things that has been changing and will continue to change more and more and more is that when we think of SEO traditionally, we're thinking of Google. How are people searching on Google? But one of the top, probably the second largest search engine people say behind Google is actually YouTube.
Mhm.
So being able to kind of search on YouTube and take that blog post and create a video there, that's going to put you in another opportunity for people to find the content that you're looking for. And if you do any searches on Google, you'll see that a lot of the videos, if there are videos, show up and they send you directly to YouTube. You want to be able to leverage that and optimize the content that you're creating, not just on your website, not just on YouTube, but also on social media, also on podcasts and platforms and the way people are searching online. So all these opportunities are kind of, it can be really tiring, but at the same time, it's really exciting because
Yeah.
you always have an opportunity to get your name out there.